If your diploma is collecting dust, it's time to cash in on an amazing opportunity in Dubai. Hi there, job seekers. B2C EDUCARE HR Services and LLP is excited to announce job openings for female ITI freshers in Dubai, the gateway to your future. Imagine earning a starting salary of INR 45,000 per month. That's right. Plus, you get free medical care, annual air tickets with 30 days of paid leave, free accommodation, transportation, phone, and SIM. You only need to cover food expenses, approximately INR 6,000. And here's the best part. No recruitment charges from our end. We are a Chennai-based HR consultancy placing candidates in top companies. This time, we've partnered with the world's leading elevator and escalator company. They move 2 billion people every day and maintain 2.2 million units globally. Ladies, if you've completed ITI in any field, this is your golden ticket. Contact us now at 915-0527-327 or 044-313-11407 or shoot an email to b2chr@gmail.com. Don't miss out on this life-changing opportunity. Hurry and secure your future today. B2C, EDUCARE HR Services and LLP, your bridge to success in Dubai.